We initially read about this project happening in Mpumalanga, and we got quite interested in developing it in this province. Basically, once the computer's on, then you just work up here on the board. It's much like a chalkboard. You got no chalk. Here's a pen. You select a pen, and you can use maybe black, and you can even use your finger to write on it if you don't have a pen. And as you're giving your lesson, you can record it. You see over here will be a page that you're working on. And what I found, one of the advantages is that I get the kids are more interested in what I'm doing and what's happening here. And as we progress, they will also be able to come up and actually interact with certain things on the board. You don't want all these icons and that, yeah? You just open the screen and you can write on the whole screen. You can move these things around if it's in the way, etc. If you want to go back to all those different icons, I can just hit the screen back again. But now I've got a normal whiteboard. Maybe I did that in the previous class. And in this class that's coming in, I don't want them to see the answer yet. So I could use something like the screen here, and I can cover this up. And I can say to them, okay, you work that out. Have you got an answer? Okay, let's see if you're correct. And I can just say, okay, let's see. There's the first step or something, you know? Just simple things like that. This is also linked to the internet, okay? In my class, I've got internet access. And there are many, many, many different websites that have, unfortunately, we need to tweak it a bit because a lot of the websites are maybe American or some other curriculum. So we need to, there's a group, Canadian group, and I think I've got something on here, Yenka, and they're working on a South African curriculum as well eventually. Yeah, so I could actually stop it at any stage and maybe go through with it with them, okay? If I don't want the voice over, and I can explain what is happening here and how we get the answer, etc., okay? We're going to play a game of Snap here. It'll keep going through the possible answers on the right. When you think it's the right answer, you can just press Snap. Now, you could have a kid coming up here, and you said, hey, got the answer. 2 to the power of 3, what do you think? And they tell me, okay, I say, all right, let's see if you're right. Yes, you're right, and so on, you know. I've got a straight line graph. Maybe I want to change the gradient a bit. This is the net of a cylinder. I can fold it into the cylinder. I can move it around as well if I want. Yeah, you can move it yourself, okay? I could be here at George Campbell presenting to my class and 9 other schools or 9 other classes, say 40 in a class. You've got 360 people out there listening to the same lesson. So that's why we're thinking of starting it here. Once we've developed it properly, expanding out with the help of Moses Kotani. And the idea is just unbelievable. You come up here for a moment. Come up here. Pick up your pen and write, whatever you want. Yeah, now you're looking at the children, right? And you write whatever you want. Yeah. There you go, you see? Bafana, Bafana. There you go, you see? See how easy it is? Pick a pen there, and now you write. Yeah, pen. There you go. Yeah. See? Yeah.